If you still think this is impossible to build, well, this video is going to prove you wrong. In under 3 minutes, you'll know how you can build this kind of website with 3 simple steps that we will go over today. And by the end, making these kind of websites will feel very easy for you. Starting off with MotionSites. It is a library of premium AI prompts, each one written to generate a specific high-quality web design like what you see in front of you. Pick the design you like, click on it, and press on Copy Prompt. Now that we have the prompt, let's go to Google Stitch. This is where we will transform this prompt into a ready and well-polished UI design. Just select the option of web and use the Pro module, and then paste the copied prompt that we got earlier. Then let Google Stitch handle the design. Once Google Stitch generated the design, you can see how animated and cinematic this is. Now the thing is that this concept exists here. To turn it into a real product or real website, we will use Claude Code. And the easiest way to feed this design into Claude is by pressing on Export, press on Zip, and then select the Code to Clipboard option. This will provide Claude with the HTML code for this design. Now open Claude Code, but before I've already prepared a React project for this website, and I will install the popular Framer Motion module in React, which I want Claude Code to use in order to make outstanding animations and transitions instead of using plain CSS for this. Once that is installed in Claude Code, open the project folder and paste the following code we copied. As an extra, I want to tell Claude Code that it has been provided with a project and I want it to use the React framework and the Framer Motion module for the animations and use plain CSS instead of Tailwind CSS. Now just click enter and let Claude Code do the magic. As for the website, it looks outstanding. The animations, the transitions, the cinematic flows all look outstanding. But there's one simple mistake, which is the menu bar, and I want it in the middle. So I'll take a screenshot and I'll ask Claude to fix it. And there it is. This is the full cinematic and animated website you can build using Claude Code. And honestly, with one single prompt, we were able to generate this kind of website and it actually looks insane. So tell me what you think about this workflow in the comment section below. And if you're interested in more Claude Code videos, I have 2 of my favorite Claude Code videos right here in front of you. So click the one you like.